Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Instagram and signing into the account you use most. Enable Contacts Sync so Instagram can match numbers and emails. This speeds discovery. Once done, tap the search bar and type a full name, username, or phone number. Use location or workplace keywords if names are common. Make sure to check the top and people tabs. Those filters surface likely friends first. This quick initiation narrows the field and gets you into discovery mode immediately. Once you have candidate profiles, verify identity by checking mutual friends and profile photos. Mutuals are a strong signal. Next, inspect the bio for workplace, school, or location clues and open recent posts and tagged photos to confirm context. If unsure, send a short direct message or voice note explaining who you are. This is faster and more personal than a follow request. Make sure to view stories' highlights for current life cues. These combined checks avoid mistaken follows and speed confident decisions. To finalize, choose how to connect. Follow publicly, add them to your close friends list for private sharing, or send a direct message to start a conversation. If the account is private, send a concise follow request naming how you know them. If you don't find someone, resync contacts, try alternate spellings, nicknames, or their phone number. Sometimes log out and back in to refresh matches. If issues persist, check that contacts access is enabled in your phone settings and retry the search steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.